Good morning, children. This lesson is for class 6 for the subject of physics, chapter number 2 from your textbook, Concise Physics, Selena Publications. It is being submitted to you on 16th of August 2021. Today, we are going to discuss about the measurement of length and its units. Let's first understand the meaning of physical quantity. Physical quantity is a quantity which can be measured. It can be expressed as the combination of a numerical value and a unit. All the substances around us can be measured by using various units. So, measurement is a process of comparison of the given unknown quantity with a fixed known quantity of the same kind called the unit. So, magnitude of quantity is expressed as number of times the unit is contained in the quantity multiplied by the unit. For example, mass is equal to 10 kilogram. That means that mass of given quantity is 10 times of 1 kilogram. Now children, let us discuss the different physical quantities and the instruments used for their measurement. First, length. Length is the distance between the 2 points. It can be measured either by a measuring tape or a meter ruler, and its SI unit is meter. Next is mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in the body, and you can measure it with the help of a beam balance or an electrical balance. Its SI unit is kilogram. Then comes the time. Time is the interval of occurrence of an event, and you can measure it with the help of pendulum clock or a watch. Its SI unit is second. And the last physical quantity is temperature. Temperature measures the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. You can measure it with the help of a thermometer, and its SI unit is Kelvin. Now let us discuss the measurement of length in detail. When we measure the width, breadth, depth, diameter, or height, we actually measure the length. And as I said, SI unit of length is meter. But it is not convenient to express long lengths in terms of meter. They are expressed in kilometer. It means kilometer is a multiple of meter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Similarly, it is convenient to express the lengths which are shorter than a meter in centimeter. For example, the length of a pen is expressed in centimeter. So, centimeter is a submultiple of meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. The lengths still shorter than a centimeter are expressed in millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. There is another unit of length called foot. Its smaller unit is inch. 1 foot is equal to 12 inch and 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Therefore, 1 foot is equal to 30.48 centimeter. The various devices to measure length are measuring tape, meter rod, and measuring scale. Now, how can we use a measuring scale for measurement? The following steps should be followed to obtain correct readings. Place the scale and the given object in contact along the length to be measured so that the scale is also parallel to one of the edges. While noting down the scale reading, the eye should be correctly positioned just above the point where the reading on the scale is to be taken. Otherwise, the reading may differ from the correct measurement. The error that occurs due to incorrect positioning of eye is called parallax error. If one of the edges of the scale is worn out or zero mark is invisible due to overuse, you may use any other fixed mark as the reference mark. If you start your scale at one end of the object to be measured with the mark 2 centimeter, then 2 centimeter is to be subtracted from the reading of the scale at the other end. For example, let the scale read 2 centimeter at one end and 4.1 centimeter at the other end of the object. Then the correct length of the object is equal to 4.1 minus 2.0 centimeter, and this is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Thank you, children.